In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Beehiiv in 5 minutes. Creating a landing page can seem daunting, but with Beehiiv, it's a straightforward process. Whether you're new to website building or just need a quick guide, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Beehiiv website. If you haven't already, go ahead and open your browser and type in Beehiiv's URL, or simply search for Beehiiv. Once you've reached the website, you'll want to log in. You can do this by clicking on the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. When you click on login, you'll see various options for signing in. For simplicity and speed, I recommend signing in using your Google account. This method is fast and secure, and it saves you from having to remember yet another password. Now once you're logged in and at your Beehiiv dashboard, look for the design option. You'll find this as part of the navigation options at the top or side of the dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to a new set of options dedicated to customizing your website's appearance. From here, navigate to the Website Builder section. The Website Builder is a powerful tool within Beehiiv that allows you to easily create and customize different pages on your site. Click on it and it will open up a range of customizable templates. Next, at the top center of the page, you'll see Homepage. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the main interface where you can start working on your landing page. Notice at the top, you've also got the option to explore custom pages. This is where you can develop additional sections of your website as needed. Once you've familiarized yourself with the layout, it's time to get specific. Click on Internal Page. This is where we will create our new landing page. Here you can add the content you want to feature. This could be text, images, videos, and more. Make sure to edit the page thoroughly to ensure it looks and reads exactly as you want. Don't forget to add a slug to the page. A slug is the URL path that helps guide users to your page. It should be simple and easy to remember, keeping in mind the SEO best practices. After you've added all your content and are satisfied with the edits, click on Create Page. There's always an option to preview the page before you fully commit, so take advantage of that. If everything looks good, choose Create. This adds your newly designed landing page to your site. You'll want to make sure that your new page is integrated into the site navigation. Scroll back to the dashboard and where you see your draft, click on the 3 dots to open more options. From there, click on Move To and select the new menu. Finally, it's time to make your page live by clicking on Publish Homepage and then Publish. Don't worry if you see options for further customizations. You can always come back later to tweak these settings as your needs evolve. And there you have it, a freshly published landing page with Beehiiv. It's that straightforward. Now go ahead and test the page to see it in action. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy web designing.